Aloha from the beautiful island of Maui. It's another Maui Flying Dress and Maui Flight Academy experience. Today we have a Cirrus owner with his girlfriend and we're going to fly to the Island of Lanai and do the Maui Flying Dress Experience out there. So we're really looking forward to that. The winds are calm. It's a beautiful day. For you photographers out there, we're going to be setting up with Rembrandt lighting today outdoors. So that'll be kind of fun. And we're going to also try and use the Brenizer method. And if you're not familiar with that, well, stick around and check it out. Aloha! I'm Laurence, a professional flight instructor and professional photographer located on the beautiful island of Maui, Hawaii. Come join us as we fly our Cirrus SR22 around Hawaii for some amazing scenery and then pick up some cool photography techniques right here, right now. Click the like and subscribe button. Let's get started. Rock on the island of Lanai. It's a gorgeous location. I have the Westcott rapid box set up. I have the Canon R5. We're going to start off with the 24-105 f4L lens. I may switch to the 2.8 15-35. The Brenizer method. What we did is I took some vertical landscape shots, and then we're going to put our model in the shot. And so we'll get a kind of a medium format type of look with a very high megapixel count image. And we're going to test the lighting. We're going to do two different ways. We're going to set up the light right now. It's not the best of light in normal afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But we're going to have the Westcott go with the light, the 8600 light, in the direction of the ambient light. And then later we'll switch it around against the ambient light. So we'll get started right now. We are doing a magazine cover shoot for the Wailea McKenna magazine. We've got the Rapid Box Octa L setup. We have the Godox 8600. Going to be shooting today with the Canon EOS R5 with the 15-35 2.8. And I will also be setting up, hopefully the wind isn't too strong, but I will be setting up a little bit of backfill here with the reflector. Today I'm going to go with the direction of the sunlight to add a little bit more dramatic look. We're also going to be shooting for the Rembrandt triangle, and we'll try and get a little bit of drama going with this background. I have an ND filter. That's a variable ND filter on there. And what we're going to try and do is set it just right so that I can capture that Rembrandt triangle yet not lose the background. So we'll see how the test shots look. And I'm here with the beautiful model Mariah. Mariah, why don't you introduce yourself?
My name is Maui Flying. I'm from Alberta, Canada, so it's a little bit different being here, but it's so
not as
much
cold,
fun.
huh?
Not as cold at all, but can't complain. You can find me on Instagram at mariah.herban.
I'll put that link in the description.
Yeah, and it's just exactly like it sounds, just like Mariah Carey.
All right, let's get started.